Everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Ari Shah. If you guys have been following me, thank you. If you haven't, feel free to click that bell button to receive time-sensitive information. But today we're going to be covering Unilayer. Since we've covered Unilayer, the price has gone up almost twofold. We bought Unilayer at $2. We're going to be talking about Unilayer, Pmon, the NFTs that Pmon is created on the Elrond network. If you're part of this channel, you know we believe highly in EGLD. We believe it'll be a top 10 coin. But yeah, guys, if you like this content, feel free to support. It is free. But today we have news. Ethereum price all-time high follows reduced gas cost and D5 revival. You can see this was posted 27 minutes ago. And we look at CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. We have it open at Pmon right under $20, which we think is a good buy. You can see Ethereum has steadily just been going up. And you can see specifically Uniswap has gone up 25% this week. When we think Ethereum, we think Uniswap. When we think Binance, we think Binance, and we think Pancakeswap. And if you guys have been a part of the market this month, you know Pancakeswap has been on an absolute tear, getting up to almost a $6 billion market cap. It cracked the top 50, soon to crack the top 25, and I'd see it, as a great hedge against Uniswap, just how we hedge Ethereum with Cardano and Polkadot and Binance. You can hedge Uniswap with Pancakeswap. But guys, let's look at Unilayer, where we are and where we're going. My mistake, Unilayer right here. And if you guys see, we are at 368. We originally bought Unilayer at $2, which was a great buy for us. If we zoom this out, you guys will see that we bought Unilayer at absolutely great price, right around that $2 range, and immediately it has gone up. And for those of you that don't know what Unilayer does, pretty much if you use Pancakeswap or if you use Uniswap, you can set limit orders instead of paying random amount and trying to fight to get the trade through. You can use Unilayer to set a limit order. But guys, you guys have been telling me that one, you want me to open up to buy some Pmon. So when we look at our MetaMask right here, you guys can see that our Unilayer is looking pretty good. Our Unilayer has almost doubled in its price. It's nearing that $4 price. When we bought originally at $2, we had sold over 1,000 of our OVR for Unilayer, and that was a great decision. Great decision. We held on to some OVR because we believe it in the long term, but trends are your friends. So guys, definitely pay attention. But let's see what we can do here. If you guys want me to sell Unilayer right now, sell 25% of my Unilayer and open up a few booster packs for Pokemon, let me know in the comments below. But guys, if you guys haven't already, check out my video on Unilayer and how on May 2nd, they will be having an official airdrop. That will be free tokens. So for those of you looking for the stimulus check or some sort of income, this is definitely an opportunity for you to take advantage of. For those of you who are part of the Uniswap airdrop, you know that airdrop was 400 tokens. That 400 tokens was originally at $2. That's not that much money. However, if you got those 400 tokens and you never sold, each Uniswap is over $36 now. So we're talking about over $12,000 that people could have had their hands on. But that's okay. We live, we learn, and Maki Swap is going to be the airdrop for Unilayer. So if you have Unilayer in your MetaMask, you will be receiving that. I believe if you have Pancakeswap and Uniswap, you will also be receiving the airdrop. But guys, let me know. You think we should take some of our profits out of Unilayer and put it into Pokemon? Maybe get the Bitcoin dragon or the Elrond dragon. I truly believe this is undervalued. And over time, the things that will be valuable are the NFTs, the non-fungible tokens. But guys, I just want to say that the market is looking good. The one thing I want everyone to be wary of, if you've been watching till the end here, that there are a lot of bulls right now. And, there's going to be a lot of volatility. So make sure that you know which projects you want to go into. And make sure you go on coindesk.com and cointelegraph.com and see what the up-to-date news is. For example, Bitcoin options market eyes 4.2 billion expires on Friday. So if you guys are looking to invest into crypto, I recommend that you dollar cost average and you don't put all your money at once, because the volatility is insane. And I recommend you don't put anything that you're not willing to lose. That being said, the market is stronger than ever. Bitcoin is over $1 trillion market cap, and cryptocurrency in itself is over a $2 trillion market cap. So guys, as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems. And like I said, subscribe. This will be our 101st video. So guys, thank you as always. I'll see you next time.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go.